This video shows you how to keep your WhatsApp chats private in 2026 using Chat Lock, a built-in security feature in WhatsApp that helps protect sensitive conversations from unauthorized access. It adds an extra layer of security beyond your regular phone lock, ensuring your personal messages remain safe and private. To enable this feature, first open WhatsApp and select the chat you want to secure. Tap on the contact or group name at the top to open chat information. Scroll down carefully until you find the chat lock option. Select it, then toggle on lock this chat with Fingerprint or Face ID. You will be asked to confirm your biometric authentication to activate the lock. Once enabled, this chat will be hidden from the normal chat list and can only be accessed using your fingerprint or passcode. This ensures that even if someone opens your phone, they cannot view your private messages without permission. For better privacy management, always ensure your device biometrics are enabled and updated. You can also review locked chats anytime from the locked chats folder within WhatsApp. This feature is especially useful for protecting personal, financial, or professional conversations, keeping your communication secure at all times. Stay safe and keep your chats private. Subscribe for more updates.